Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 4 Center Street in Macedon. This is an exceptional 3-unit investment opportunity with great cash flow. I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. All 3 units are in mint condition with beautiful updates, including white and bright kitchens, and spacious living and dining rooms, plus a laundry room for all tenants. The key to any great investment property is off-street parking, and this property has over 7 spaces, all within walking distance to the town of Macedon, with great restaurants and shops, plus easy access to Fairport, Rochester, and the Finger Lakes region. Could you imagine investing here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4 Center Street in Macedon, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!